Teal Tool Guide Season 2. We're stepping up our game with better content, better production, and improved
technology.
This season, the camera gets a serious upgrade from the iPhone 6s.
Wait for it.
To the iPhone 11 Pro. We have a dozen how-to videos, products, and projects that will upgrade your living space. Hand tools, power tools. You'll see tools where we don't have to stretch to call them Teal.
It's true.
This season, the content is even more on brand and goes further in scratching the DIY itch.
This looks interesting.
We'll keep our sense of humor, of course, with the same irreverent dedication to the
We
category.
need a very special tool to open this up.
Subscribe so you don't miss out. New videos every Teal Tuesday. Here's a sneak peek. Season 2 starts August 30th. Mark your calendars and tap that notification bell. Thanks for watching.
This looks interesting.